Alrighty, hi y'all. So already introduced myself in the choreo video, but anyway, this is the tutorial video for Sandhya CBE and Theta Ta friends who are dancing to the song Kahe, which again is one of her favorites. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down all of the steps that I did in the choreography video. So I'll be explaining which hand to move, which foot to move, etc. And I've got my little list here of all the moves that y'all are doing. So if you see me glance down at my phone, it's because I want to make sure that I'm covering everything. I don't want to miss any of the steps. So we will go ahead and get started. All right, and again, for reference, this is my right hand, right foot, left hand, left foot. More instructions on that in the email. So let's see, as I mentioned, you've got about 16 counts to freestyle and get onto the dance floor, and then that's when the dancing starts. So for the first 8 count, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this like series of point and jump move. So if we're just doing the hands first, you're gonna go right and left and right and left. And again, I'm using like my index fingers and you're pointing. So when you're pointing using your right hand, you're pointing you're pointing like 45 degrees-ish to the left. And then when you point your left hand, you're pointing to the right, sort of like at an angle. So if we do that with counts, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and awesome. So when you're adding the feet to this, when you're pointing with your right hand, you're leaning, well, you're using your right hand to point to the left, right? So when you point, you're gonna lean back a little bit and your left foot's gonna come up. Then you're gonna put it down. And when you point using your left hand, you're gonna lean back a little bit, your right foot's gonna come up. So if we do with the feet, it's gonna go and 1 and 2, down, 3 and 4 and. So if you notice on the ands, my foot's going down, and on the actual numbered counts, my feet are coming up, and I'm pointing at the same time. So let's do that together one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's that 8 count. Awesome. And again, we start with our right hand, ended with our left hand. Okay. So then for the next few counts, what you're gonna do is you're gonna point out. So you're gonna start your hands here, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you start in the middle, and you're sort of like alternating, bouncing your knees, and you're pointing from the middle out straight to the sides. And I'm doing this sort of at shoulder level. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So that's it. Let me think through this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. So now that we've done that, we're sort of gonna do this like crazy dance move or whatever. So your hands are rotating like this by your head, and then you're gonna do, so the feet for this is gonna go, we're gonna step to the right first. So it's gonna be a step together footwork. So it's gonna be step with your right foot, bring your left foot to your right foot, and then go the other side. Step your left foot out, bring your right foot in. So if we do that 4 times, it's gonna look like this. Again, going to the right first. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, step together, step together, step together. So if we add in the hands, again, we're just doing this the entire time. So 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Together, left, together, right, together, left, together. And if you notice, anytime I step to the right, I'm sort of leaning my upper body to the right. Anytime I step to the left, I'm leaning my upper body to the left. So let's do this whole sequence together from the points and lift the foot up situation. So, and we'll go a little bit slowly. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoop, whoop. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I totally forgot the next move. Ha! Point out. Okay, let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Hang on a second, y'all. Oh, my mistake. So with the crazy, this thing, we only do that twice. We go 1, 2, if I'm not mistaken. Refer to my choreo video to see the number of times that we do that. But anyway, that's that first sequence. So now that we've done this whole sequence, what you're gonna do, once you do it once, you're actually gonna repeat it. So after this crazy thing, you're gonna repeat this move again. Awesome. Well, this move, and then the point out, and then the crazy thing again. All right. So the next sequence, what you're gonna do is you're gonna skip forward for 4 counts. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, clap. So on the 4th count, you clap, and then you're gonna go back for 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 4 and 8, you clap. And then the next move that you're gonna do is you're gonna sort of do this around the world situation with your hands. So it's gonna go for 4 counts, you're gonna use your right hand. I'm sort of facing, like my upper body is sort of facing to the left. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and, or excuse me, on that last count on the 4, you're gonna pivot so you're facing the right. So let's do that together one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and. So on that and, I'm facing the left. The right, I'm so sorry, this is the right. Okay, so let's do that one more time. And what you're gonna do with your feet, when you're facing the left and you're using your right hand to bring your arm around the world, or above your head, whatever you wanna call it, you're gonna tap your left foot. So you're gonna go tap, 2, 3, and. So on that and, remember how when I was talking about the hands, we sort of shift our body on that last count or on that 4th count. So to facilitate that, you're gonna go tap, 2, 3, and. So on that and, you pivot your foot so that you can face the right after you face the left. So let's put the hand and the feet together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and. So now we are facing the right, and we're gonna repeat that same thing just with our left hand, and we're gonna tap our right foot. So it's gonna look like this. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So let's do that. Let's do, what was before that? The forward and the backward. Okay. So let's do that whole thing together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, forward. 1, 2, 3, clap, back, 2, 3, clap. Use your right hand, 2, 3, and left hand, 2, 3, and. Awesome. So now that we've done that, so the next 4 counts, let's see here. So that's this, and then step side to side. Okay, awesome. So for this next move, what you're gonna do, we'll just do the feet first. So the way the feet are gonna go is you're gonna sort of make your knees knock in. You're gonna like wobble them a little bit. So you're gonna lean right, left, right for 4 counts. So it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna go knees knock into the right, knees knock into the left, and then you kind of shimmy your knees for 2 counts. So each of those things takes like 1 count, but let's count it out together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, 4. So on 3 and 4, I'm like leaning to the right and I'm shimmying my legs. And then I'm gonna do the same thing, but starting on the left side for the next 4 counts. So it's gonna be left, right, left, 2. So again, 2 counts for that last move. So if we add the hands to this, again, we start from the right. Your hands are gonna be like behind your back like this for the first 2 counts. So you're gonna go right, left, right, right. So you're sort of making a waterfall with your hands going to the right. And then you're gonna do the same thing going to the left. So again, hands come behind your back and we go to the left. So left, right, waterfall. Awesome. So let's put that whole thing together, starting from the right. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And feel free to repeat that, slow it down, do whatever you need to do if that felt like it was going too fast. Okay, and then so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for the next few counts, you're gonna step. You're gonna do that step together footwork that we did. Remember the step together that we did for the crazy hands. But this time what you're gonna do with your hands is you're gonna have them out by your shoulders and you're just gonna, as you're bringing your right hand out, your left hand comes in. As your left hand goes out, your right hand comes in. So let's just do the feet first for that. And let me think through the counts real quick, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's for 8 counts, okay? So we're first gonna step to the right. We bring our right hand out. So it's 1, together, 2, together, 3, together, 4, together. And as long as your hands are moving side to side, I don't really mind which hand you use first. Just have it moving side to side, you should be fine. And then make sure you're starting with your right foot on that step together. So let's go ahead and do this sequence with the step together let's do that whole sequence all together. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, step to the right, together, left, together, right, together, left, together. Awesome. So now that you've done that sequence once, you're gonna repeat it as you can see in the choreography video. Awesome. So we're gonna do that twice. And then the next sequence, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this you're gonna hop in place and you're gonna do this finger point overhead, sort of going from front to back, front to back. So again, let me just make sure I got my counts right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so each of these finger points is 4 counts. So we're gonna start with our right hand. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna do that same thing with our left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, so if we put that together, it's gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, 4, left to the back, 2, 3, 4. And now the next 8 counts is gonna be, remember that step together footwork that we did that comes back to haunt us again. But the hands for this are gonna look like this. You start in the middle, right here, elbows are sort of shoulder level. You're gonna go out and snap, bring it back, out and snap, and out and snap, and out and snap. So you'll notice on the ands, I'm like resetting my hands or I'm getting them into position. So if we start from the beginning, 1, so 1, yep, so on 1, my hands come out, so 1, and on and I bring my forearms back, and then on 2, I snap forward, and then on and I bring my hands back again, and then 3 and 4. And awesome. So let's add some feet to that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so yeah. So we go right, left, right, left. That's how that's gonna work. So let's do this thing. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, together, left, together, right, and together, left, and together. And let's do that one more time just so that y'all can get it. And again, that's for 8 counts. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, together, left, together, right, together, left, together. All right, wonderful. So now that we've done that, okay, so for this next set of moves, I'm gonna have all of you divided into 2 groups, and my email will explain which group you're in. But essentially, I think in my choreography video, you guys saw me do a move for 2 counts and then kneel for 2 counts. So essentially, we're gonna have like 2 groups on stage. One will be kneeling while one group is doing the move. And then as soon as you've done that move, you're gonna switch. So then this group that was doing the move will kneel, and then this other group will do the same move. So let's let me teach you the choreography first, and then we'll do it as though I'll show you here's what group 1 will do, and then I'll show you here's what group 2 will do. Okay, so for group 1, you're gonna start with doing the move. Group 2, you're gonna start kneeling like this. Okay, so group 1, for 2 counts, you're literally gonna go like this. You're gonna shake your head and like shake your hands by your head. So 1, 2, 3, 4. On 3, 4, you kneel. And then on 5, 6, you're gonna pop up. 5, 6, or excuse me, not 5, 6, you're not gonna pop up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on 5, 6, you pop up and you pose sort of like you're fighting. So 5, 6. And then on 7, 8, you kneel back down. So 7, 8. And then when you you're gonna pop back up one more time. So 1, 2. When you come up on 1, 2, you're gonna hold this pose like you're gonna make like an X in front of your face. And then 3, 4, you're gonna go back down. 3, 4. And then for the remainder of that 8 counts, so for 5, 6, 7, 8, you're gonna come up and you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just hopping and bringing my hands up. So let's do that whole sequence together very slowly, okay? And this is again for group 1. Group 1, you're starting doing the move. Group 2, I'll talk to you in a minute. You're gonna be starting kneeling. Okay, let me just make sure I'm getting this right. Okay, awesome. So, group 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If that didn't make sense, or if you feel like you need to repeat that, rewind this video, repeat that sequence if you're in group 1. If you're in group 2, however, like I said, you're gonna be starting kneeling. We're gonna do the exact same thing that group 1 did. We're just alternating. So 1 and 2, you're gonna be down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So group 2, let's do that together one more time. And again, the hands for this are, when you pop up the first time, you're bringing your hands to your head and you're shaking your head and your hands like this. The second time you pop up, you're like punching. And then the third time you pop up, you're making that X in front of your face. So let's do that together one more time. And again, we start kneeling. So this is for group 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, so that was group 1 and group 2. If you made it past that point, good job. That is the most complicated part of the dance, and I think it's gonna look amazing when Sandhya sees it. Okay, so now group 1 and group 2, we've done our thing. We're all synchronized here at this jumping hands thing. And now, the next step, okay, here's the next step. So what you're gonna do is you're facing the front, and let's just do the footwork first. So for 3 counts, you're gonna rotate 90 degrees to the left. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3. On count 3, my chest is facing the left. And then for the 4th count, you're gonna hop back. So let's do that together one more time. So 1, 2, 3 to the left, 4, hop back. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left, 2, 3, hop back. Do it again. To the left, 2, 3, hop back. Okay. So let me think about how many times we do that. 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, back, 3, 2, 3, back. Okay, so we do this like step, 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 hop sequence 3 times, and I'm gonna do the hands. I'm gonna show you the hands, and then we'll do all 3 of those times together. Okay, so what you're gonna do with the hands, when you are pivoting to the left, you're gonna bring your right shoulder forward. You're gonna like sort of, I don't even know how to explain it. Well, let me think about it. Yeah, you're gonna like, imagine like you're punching with your right shoulder, if that makes sense. And so your right hand is out. So if we take our steps to the left, you're gonna step 1, I lean with my shoulder 1. Step 2, lean with your shoulder. Step 3, lean with your shoulder. And then on the 4th count, you're gonna bring your hands in front of your face and break your hands like that, or break the X. So let's do that together one more time, and then we'll do those like 3. We're gonna repeat that sequence 3 times in the actual dance, so we'll do that together too. So let's try this one more time. So 5, 6, and again my right hand is out, and right foot is the one that's stepping to the left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step 1, 2, 3, and hop, 2, 2, 3, and hop, 3, 2, 3, and hop. All right, let's do that one more time. And yeah, we're actually pretty close to finishing up the dance. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 2, 3, break, 2, 2, 3, and break, 3, 2, 3, and break. Awesome. And then for the last 4 counts, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your hands up, and you're sort of gonna hop left to right. Again, I don't care which foot you start with or end with, but the most important thing is you're bringing your hands up. So for 4 counts, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So actually, you know what? I think it would be useful if we did this move. Let's do all 3 of those and then put the hands together for this last 4 counts. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, break, 2, 2, 3, break, 3, 2, 3, break, hands up, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay, now here is the chorus. So you're gonna do, so this next sequence of moves that I'm showing you, you're gonna repeat that whole thing twice. Or excuse me, you don't repeat it twice, you do the move twice, you repeat it once. Okay, so the way this is gonna go, let's do the footwork first. You're gonna step to the right, then to the left, then to the right, right. And then for the next 4 counts, you're gonna start with your left foot. So then left, right, left, left. So let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, there we go. So the hands, when we're moving our feet, you're gonna sort of make waves. But what you're gonna do is when you're stepping to the right, your right hand comes like out from your side, your left hand goes forward. So right, and then when we step to the left, we're just gonna switch it. So right hand comes out front, and again, I'm making this like wave motion with my hands. So right hand comes out front, left hand is to the side. So let's do this with the footwork. So we're gonna go to the right, and again, left hand is out. So right, left, right, right. So when I step to the right, again, my left hand is out front, and remember that, so it's right, left, right, right. So on those 2 right repeated foots, our hands go the same direction. So let's do that whole sequence one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, step to the right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do for the next 4 counts, so that was 8 counts, right? So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the next 4 counts, what you're gonna do is you're gonna face the right, and you're gonna tap with your right foot for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you're gonna do with your hands for those 4 counts is you're gonna bring your hands up. So again, sort of like that wave motion, but you're only gonna do this for 3 counts. And you're sort of, I guess it's wave, and you're sort of flicking your wrists. Here, I'll come closer. You're flicking your wrists out, if that makes sense. Okay, so here's how that's gonna look. You're gonna tap, 2, 3, clap. So as you're flicking your hands for those 3 counts, you're gonna bring it up to 3 different levels. So the first one is sort of down parallel to my thigh. The second one comes out from my shoulders. The third one goes above my head, and then I clap. So let's do that together. So 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, 1, 2, 3, clap. Great. And then the next move is going to be, you're going to, let's just do the feet first. We've done tap, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to tap again with your right foot. So tap, or step, 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 step. So on that first step, I'm stepping with my right foot. So it's right, left, right, left. Awesome. And then let's do the hands with it. So your hands are gonna look like this. So my elbows are out, straight out from my shoulder, and my hands are kind of in fists. So what you're gonna do is when you step to the right, you're gonna pull your elbows down, and then when you step to the left, you're gonna pull your elbows down, you're gonna face the left. So that whole 4 count is gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And then, like I said, we repeat that whole sequence going from here. So you know what, let's go from right, left, right, right, all the way to the end. Let's do that 2 times together, because that's how it's going to be in the actual choreography. So let's get it. So 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Bring it up. 2, 3, clap. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Bring it up. 2, 3, clap. Right, left, right, left. And that is the end of the dance. And as I mentioned in the choreography video, once you guys are done with the dance, you have 16 counts of freestyle. And so during those 16 counts of freestyle, the rest of us that were also dancing in Sundance Sangeet Dance, we're gonna join you on the dance floor, and we're all gonna be freestyling for 16 counts before the finale piece that we're all gonna be in. So I hope this was helpful for everyone. If you have any questions or if you have any concerns about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. But I hope you had fun. And thanks for sticking with me through this 25-minute video.